You can always do tracing in the canvas. Here I will be directly drawing over the canvas, so I need a scale and a pencil. First of all, I am making a mark at ½ centimeter on each side and joining them with a pencil. Remember, my canvas size is 6 by 6 inch. So if you have a different size of canvas, please scale according to the need. This step is very crucial, so I would highly suggest investing your most of the time in aligning and the symmetry. After the one side is over, now we will do the another side.
Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art.
After the 4 initial sides are done, now we will again mark a ½ centimeter border and make another 4 border in each of the sides. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to link me and comment me in the project section so that I can discuss with you and it will benefit all of your students. Don't forget to rotate the canvas according to your orientation, because rotating the canvas it really helps. I would highly suggest to always rotate and don't fix the canvas while making the borders. Now I will make 1.5 cm mark on each side and join them for the border design. I will do the lotus border design that we already learned previous lessons. Let's now complete the border and I'll come back very soon. You can speed up the process and skip to the next part, but I will suggest to watch each step carefully. Please follow my profile so that you can get a lot of more amazing video tutorials of amazing beautiful paintings of all over the India. Now the borders are being done. Let's look at the design that we are going to transfer. We are only going to transfer this 1.5 cm thick border design. So first I will start with the pencil and start making the leaves. Doing work on paper is completely different than doing work in a canvas. The canvas surface is really rough, so you need to make sure your pencil is not harmed as well as you are getting the right amount of design over the canvas. So drawing in the canvas is quite a little bit of hard task. You must practice before doing it directly. You can also erase the drawing like a paper, but the erasing will be much more difficult if it's on the canvas. I hope you are liking this lesson, and if so, don't forget to write a review on behalf of me. I am making the same design. The flowers are really simple, the birds are also very simple, only the leaf has a little bit of veins, but it will look very gorgeous when we will do the 3D outline. Make sure the orientation is right so that the birds and the lotus flowers look like they are rightly oriented. Take your time, do the needful, and always fill the gaps with curly lines. Now probably you are getting how difficult I am finding to directly drawing it on the canvas. See, my pencil is not moving as fluently as it should on a paper. So I will again suggest practice. Do if you can able to do it with pencil, otherwise do it on paper and just transfer it. Another option is you print my design which is given in the project section and then trace it. Watch each and every lesson very carefully because I will be giving the password of the main project inside of any video. So you must watch every video so that also you can get a detailed holistic approach to the painting. With that, our floral borders is done. I am just checking whether any place is blank or not and adding a little bit of swirly lines in that place. Now the border being done, the only remaining thing is the center part. So the center portion I will taking from this painting. I love this bird and the whole concept of a tree. So I am just making again the center part and then I will do the symmetric portion. In the previous lectures, I have already showed you several techniques that you can implement for your symmetric painting. I will not repeat the same mundane thing again. You can go back and watch it and then you can start doing that. The symmetric thing is completely depends on person to person, how one person likes it or not. While doing this procedure, if you find any problem at any point of time, don't forget to mail me or write in the project section. I will be always happy enough to clear out any of your doubts. You can mismatch any design. Also, you can change the leaf and the flower shape. It's completely up to you. You can also make a big birds if you want. Always let your creativity flow and let them tell inside of you. So just I am making the flowers, and there is a little bit section remaining that I will do at the top. With that, our drawing on the canvas is almost done. You can see it's looking so beautiful. Each and every details is so nice. I hope it will come out amazing in the next two sections. With that being said, don't forget to ask me any question if you have in the comment section. I will be always happy to answer you all of your doubts.
If you want to enroll in my free workshop where I teach various Indian art forms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number, as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.